Hi everyone, I am Rajesh Kumar. I am having close to 16 plus years of experience in DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. I have worked with more than 12 software organizations around the globe. I would like to introduce you all a DevOps School's flagship certification program in DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. This program will get started in the weekends, so get enrolled. Please contact us on the phone number given on the screen, and in fact you can email us on the contact@DevOpsSchool.com.
Comes 90% of the issues in the product after the release comes because of bad code quality, not because of bad testing. It's because of bad code quality. So code is very important for the product, and you need to make sure that your engineers are writing good code. So that I will not give you too much of jargons on it. You have to realize from inside code quality. That means whatever the code you write, please get it review using SonarQube. It will be helping you. Okay, so now SonarQube architecture. Okay, architecture, how it works. In every architecture, you have a human. Right? So human interact with SonarQube server. Okay, and server is again divided into the multiple components. So we have a web means website, and website talk to the database. Okay, so then you'll ask me, web, how this web has been designed. Simple answer, if you know the stack, it's been developed in Java. So web is designed using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Java. Simple. How is the database? So here you can use any RDBMS. So can you please tell me some of the RDBMS which you know? Which you know?
Postgres, Oracle,
MySQL.
MySQL, Postgres.
Yeah, good. So yes, it support all RDBMS except one. Which one? MySQL. So MySQL is not supported. Not sure why they removed the support in the latest release. Earlier they were supporting. So you can use the Postgres H2. You can use it for trial. Postgres you can use it. You can use Oracle, MS SQL, Derby, all these things you can use it. So very simple. Database, website, human. This is called sub. This is the architecture. But I want to tell you something very important, and that is component of SonarQube. Okay, this you need to understand, because if you don't understand this one, then you will not be able to automate CI. Okay, so component of SonarQube. Earlier, you know what? We used to call it Sonar. Then they were had some conflict with some organization with this name, so they renamed the Sonar. So now this is my laptop. Design your system. Okay, this is my laptop. Uh, what is going? Huh. This is my laptop, and this is the SonarQube. This is a different server. I said right, in the SonarQube you have a database. This is the database, and this is a web front which human can interact, developers can interact. Okay, web part of it. And here you have a rules. What is the rules? You will not forget it. Rules means what? Correct now? Remember that, right? All of you?
Code
No,
review.
rules are code.
Okay.
Correct. Rules are code. Okay, so these codes will review the code. So where's the source code? Here it is. So this is the code. This is in a laptop. This is a laptop. So in order to sorry, in order to get my quality reports, this is the question mark, what I need to do, I need to run these rules on the source code, correct now? So that is what we need actually. So the question is, in laptop there should be some utility which will go to SonarQube and then download all the rules, apply on the code and generate a report. Don't you think so? In this design, there's something which is missing. What do you think? So yes, there is a one thing which is missing, and that is called scanner. You can say it's like an agent. Where is a scanner? It should be in your developer desk or build server. Okay. So now see the flow. The moment you run the scanner on the source code, scanner go to the SonarQube, take all the rules, download the rules in the system, apply on the source code, a report is being generated. What is the problem in the source code? Report SonarQube published to the database. Okay, and from database you can see on the website what is the problem, who introduced the problem, when it was introduced, why this problem, and when it was introduced, and all this thing, and how can you fix it. All this information you have it. Did you understand this flow, all of you? When it
Yes.
happens, when it happens, all it happens when you run the scanner on the source code. Will you remember this flow?
Can you repeat once again the flow?
Flow is very simple. In my laptop, I have a code. I need to get scanner. That's all. Run the scanner on the code, and this rest of the process will happen. And we'll see in a SonarQube what is the problem in the code. Make sense?
No, can you explain the flow which you told earlier?
Flow means, yeah, the moment you run the scanner on the code, scanner will go to the SonarQube. They will download the rules, apply the rules on the code. After that, reports will be generated about the problem in the code. This report will be stored in the database, and from database you can see on the website and all this. Make sense?
So these rules will be downloaded on real time every time when we run the scan, or it will store in this scanner.
Rules will be downloaded on the real time if there is a new change in the rules, but
Okay.
again and again you don't have to download because you'll be creating on cache copy somewhere in this here, so they will use it from here because, but assume that you are trying first time, so
Okay.
it will be downloaded from this one.
Hello, Rajesh.
Oh, yes.
And then the scanner, you have to install it, or is already with the laptop?
In your laptop, yes. Okay, so what we need? So we need server, one server we need one scanner, and we need code for the demo. So how is the server? So installation of server is very simple. First you install the Java and then download it. This is a zip file, you will get it and extract it and start it. Let me show you this process in this system. So what I did, look at my screen. What I did, this is my machine. I need to download this zip file community version from here. So that I have done it. But one important thing I want to tell you, which user have logged in? Which user?
Root. The root user.
Root, root user. So please remember this statement. SonarQube cannot run as a root user. Yes,
Oh,
SonarQube cannot run as a root user. Then you will
SonarQube.
say, SonarQube, the one which I'm teaching.
SonarQube
Then you
cannot
will
run.
ask, yeah. Then you will ask why it cannot run. Why it cannot run in uh, using root user. So reason is not SonarQube actually. A reason is Elasticsearch. So Elasticsearch is one of the component which is used for the site searches, which Elasticsearch I'm talking in the SRE session also. Okay, so Elasticsearch. So
Elasticsearch.
yeah, so this
Hello,
is one of
hello,
the
yeah. Hello, Raj.
yeah.
Yeah, Elasticsearch is used to collect logs, right?
Yes, it's used for collecting the logs and also
Okay.
used for the site searches also. Okay, so
Searches.
SonarQube site searches. If you want to
Okay.
implement the website search functionality, you can use
Okay.
SonarQube.
Elasticsearch. Does Splunk do the same thing? I know Splunk is
Yes,
used to collect logs as well.
yes, Splunk is doing also same thing.
Okay.
Yeah. So now, Elasticsearch, I mean, SonarQube is using Elasticsearch for site searches. So because of Elasticsearch cannot run with a root, so SonarQube also cannot run with a root. So what to do? I will go and log in as a Rajesh. Here it is. So Rajesh is not root. Now I have already downloaded this package. Okay, in the last session, so just we save some time also and extracted it. This is the one. I think last week only I downloaded. So that's all. So here you can download for free, and then keep it here, extract it, unzip it. Done. Now what to do? So go inside this, and there is a lots of folders and files are there. So this is the folder you'll have a starter soft script. This is the folder is very important conf. Here you have a one file which you have to remember, sonar property. That means if you want to configure, if you want to configure uh, the solar cube, you want to customize it, then this file you have to manage. If you want to customize scanner, then you have to refer this file. If you want to customize the code, then you have to manage this file. Very simple way, just remember this file's name. So here this is the properties to manage the configuration of server. This is SonarQube by default embedded with the one database RDBMS for the trial one, which is called H2 database. H2 is also RDBMS. So all this file will be stored in data directory. This is Elasticsearch. Any libraries jar file of SonarQube is here. Logs are here. Any plugins you can install, you can increase the capability of SonarQube. So here you can have and stuff like that. So right now I just want to start the SonarQube. So it's the different operating system. It's Linux here, and command is dot sonar sh start. That's all. This command. By the way, mind it here. I have installed the Java already in this machine, and how to install Java. There are tens of ways, but you can look for my documents also. And here it is. So status, you see is running. So SonarQube is running. So on which port you can access it? So you can access on 9000 port, which is here. Okay, so here 9000 port, and this is your, it's not accessible still. Just wait for a few seconds and see that it is running. It's already running. Status is running.
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devoxschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.